spare key from Turo, and we're gonna go get checked in at our hotel and enjoy the day. We made it.
So we are staying in the Palace Tower. Welcome home. Hi there.
So we're here at the Hilton Waikoloa Village. So we'll be staying here for the next 6 nights. Got a king size bed. We've got like coffee maker and mini fridge down there. And then as you come on out, you see our view. So we've got, technically this is a resort view room, but if you look over this way, you get a nice little snapshot of the ocean. Good afternoon from the Hilton Waikoloa Village Palace.
Today's our first day. Enjoying ourselves with a beautiful view.
What are you drinking?
Passion guava nectar.
Delicious.
It is.
Wow. Do you want to send it and go down?
I mean, that's what we're here for. This hotel is huge. We've been walking probably at least a mile a day.
Look how pretty this is.
We went a little bit off path for this, but here we are. This is called Trail by the Sea. Over there you can see our hotel.
But it's so beautiful. He is determined to go into the cave. Wow, look at you go. I'm ready for you to come back.
Here we are. First few days in Hawaii. On the Big Island. It's nice. Tomorrow night, manta rays. Hopefully we see some big ones.
Exciting. Night. Pasta.
Pasta. Maybe even a few drinks.
Maybe some drinks.
Maybe some drinks. Cheers, my love.
Cheers.
The vacation. Tonight we are at the Nui Italian.
Chicken parmesan for dinner. What did you get, Dylan?
Some Alfredo.
Give it a flavor test.
Cheers. I'd say that's a 10.
Is really?
Get the taste buds.
Oh my god, it's a 10? Oh, that's so impressive. Oh my god, okay. Good morning.
Little baby turtle feeding off the rocks. Oh, hello, buddy.
Turtle right there.
I know. What?
So you have the option to take a boat to your hotel, or you can take the tram, which runs along here. But yeah, we didn't wait at all for the boat, but God, that's beautiful.
Morning. It's our last day. Dead beach. What time is it?
Oh, 7:30.
It's 7:30, so we don't have to be out till 11. We're gonna enjoy the pool. It's a beautiful day.